Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. SSC CGL exam has already started and I hope those of you who already appeared have done well in the exam. Today we will practice and revise another 25 questions from general awareness which will be helpful not just for CGL but also for CHSL and other exams. In this session we will go through some important questions from the complete general awareness section. So let's begin our mock right away. Question number 1. The Ryotwari system of revenue settlement was introduced in which region by Thomas Munro? Correct answer is Madras. Question number 2. In September 2025, who was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Haryana? Correct answer is Nayab Singh Saini. Question number 3. Who presides over the joint sitting of both houses of parliament? Correct answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 4. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states? Option A Tripura, Option B Mizoram, Option C Chhattisgarh, Option D Odisha. Correct answer is Odisha. Question number 5. Which state has become the first in India to launch e-voting through mobile applications for municipal body elections? Correct answer is Bihar. Question number 6. Which element is used in the filament of an electric bulb? Correct answer is tungsten. Question number 7. What kind of infection is trachoma recently eliminated by India as a public health problem? Correct answer is bacterial. Question number 8. The Battle of Buxar in 1764 was fought between the British East India Company and the combined forces of whom? Correct answer is Shuja-ud-Dawla, Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II. Question number 9. Who became the first woman officer to serve as the Director General of the Armed Forces Medical Services? Correct answer is Aarti Sarin. Question number 10. The Narmada Bachao Andolan was primarily associated with which dam project? Correct answer is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Question number 11. Which country is the host of World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025? Correct answer is India. Question number 12. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Indian Constitution on the recommendation of which committee? Correct answer is Swaran Singh Committee. Question number 13. Black soil is most suitable for which crop? Correct answer is cotton. Question number 14. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Correct answer is liver. Question number 15. The Kebul-Lamjao National Park, the world's only floating national park, is located in which state? Correct answer is Manipur. Question number 16. The first 5-year plan in India, that is from 1951 to 1956, focused on what? Correct answer is agriculture and irrigation. Question number 17. Which state government recently launched Mukhyamantri Nagar Unnayan Prakalp scheme? Correct answer is Tripura. Question number 18. Which of the following is the longest tributary of the Ganga river? Option A Son, Option B Yamuna, Option C Ghagra, Option D Gandak. Correct answer is Yamuna. Question number 19. The Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 1336 by whom? Correct answer is Harihara and Bukka. Question number 20. The planning body Niti Aayog was established in which year? Correct answer is 2015. Question number 21. The Kundan Kulam nuclear power plant is located in which state? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 22. The alloy bronze is composed mainly of what? Correct answer is copper and tin. Question number 23. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Correct answer is steps. Question number 24. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Correct answer is 1942. Question number 25. In which year was the goods and services tax introduced in India? Correct answer is 2017. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Wishing you all the very best for your exams. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected with regular practice sessions for all competitive exams. Let's continue this journey of smart preparation together. Thank you once again for your support. See you in the next video.